Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk you through how to diagnose your reverse park aid sensors, which one is faulty. First thing we need to do is just hop into the car and put the car in reverse to get the warning tone. So we're going to put the ignition on as if we're going to start the car, and then select reverse. As you can see, we get a continuous tone, meaning that the parking aid is not working. Next thing is we're going to head back round to the back of the car and test the sensors. Test the sensors is these bits here produce a ticking noise, and as you could probably hear the tones changing where I'm touching it. So you can feel them working just by touching them, but the easiest way is to use a screwdriver. But you can hear that there's a clicking noise. You can feel it on the screwdriver, meaning that that sensor is working. This one, nothing, but there is a change in the tone. So this one I believe is the faulty one. It's not making the clicking noise. Getting back to a continuous tone, and again I can feel a clicking noise from this sensor, and this one again I can feel a clicking noise from this sensor. So we know these ones are all working. This one is not working, however it is connected, because when I touch it I've got a change. If it was unplugged, me doing that would make no difference at all. So I believe it is a faulty sensor. Next thing I'm going to do is remove it and just check it to see if there's anything that can be repaired on it or whether it needs to be replaced. But I'll do that in a separate video, because this video is purely about how to diagnose it, and then you can just order a new sensor up and get it replaced. So thanks for watching. I hope this has been useful. If you could like and subscribe, it will help me to make more videos just like this.